Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a review on a Revlon product for natural hair, and I'll be reviewing this product here. This is the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Buttercream, and it is a leave-in conditioner. As usual, I will review this product in the 5 categories that I review all products in. I'll start with the packaging, then the price, move on to the application, then the quality and size, and lastly the results. But before we get into this review, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. The first category is the packaging, and I like the packaging. Strangely enough, the black really stands out in the natural hair care aisle with all the bright colors, black and gold, classic colors. They really go well together. I like the packaging, and then the red gives it that pop of color that like everything in black needs. And let's get onto the packaging just a little bit more. Now, when this sits in the aisle, this is what you see. So when I picked this up, I picked up a strengthening buttercream. It was only when I got home and I'd been using this as a buttercream for at least 2 weeks did I actually read the cap. And on the cap here, it says it's a strengthening buttercream leave-in conditioner. So I had no idea for weeks that I was actually using a leave-in conditioner. So Revlon, please put leave-in conditioner on this side of the packaging so people know they're not just buying a buttercream, but they're buying a leave-in conditioner. At the back, some important information. It tells us no mineral oil, no petroleum, no sulfates, no parabens, and no colorants, which is really nice. And it says that it makes hair up to 34% stronger. At the back, there's also some more information. It says your perfect natural style begins with Revlon Realistic Buttercream Leave-In, the only leave-in infused with powerful black seed oil. It penetrates deep to strengthen, seal, and smooth every strand. So good information on the packaging. I do like the packaging, so the rating I'm going to give it is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. The second category is the price, which we all know is so important, and I bought this at Clicks for 113 Rand and 53 cents. I didn't mind the price of it. I thought the price was fairly okay. I like the size of it, so in terms of price, I think for a leave-in conditioner, it's under 150 Rand. It's just over 100 Rand. Good amount of size, so the rating I'm going to give it for price is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. The third category is the application. So I'm going to open this up, and it smells amazing. It's white in color, and every time I had this on my hair, whether I was in the mall, whether I was at home, whether I was at church, if I walked past someone or gave someone a hug, they were like, wow, you smell amazing. This really does smell nice. It's white in color, and it's very thick and creamy. It isn't like a leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to put this on my hand. For me, this is really like a buttercream, like a cream that I would just use. Even when I was applying this on my hair and I didn't know it was a leave-in, I was kind of just using it as a cream. Application as a leave-in for me is a no. Just as a cream, it's a yes. So like if I just want to moisturize my hair, I'd use this to moisturize my hair. I'm not going to use it as a leave-in conditioner. It did leave my hair very, very soft. So if I was on day 2 or day 3 or day 4 here and I just wanted to moisturize my hair, this was what I reached for. So for me, it worked like a really good moisturizer, not a leave-in conditioner. So application as a leave-in, no. Application as a moisturizer, yes. It smells amazing. But because this is a leave-in conditioner, the rating I'm going to give it for a leave-in conditioner is 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. Application for a moisturizer, it would get 4 out of 5 for that. But since it's a leave-in conditioner, finally, it's getting a rating of 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. Now let's talk about the quality and size. This is 300 milliliters or 10.1 fluid ounces, good size. Ingredients, as I mentioned earlier, It tells us that there's no mineral oil, no petroleum, no sulfates, no parabens, no colorants, and it also tells us that it contains black seed oil. Water is also one of the first ingredients. I like the quality, I like the size. The rating it's going to get is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. The final category, which is the one you guys really like, is results. As a leave-in conditioner, no. As a moisturizer, buttercream, yes. Didn't help with detangling, didn't give me the slip that I want as a leave-in, so the rating I will give it for a leave-in is actually like 2.5 out of 5. As a moisturizer or buttercream, you're gonna get a 4 out of 5. Now guys, remember this is just my personal review. It's the way that it responded on my hair. Some of you guys will put in the comments, you'll send me a private message, say, wow, it's the best leave-in conditioner I've ever used. I respect that. And if you love this as a leave-in conditioner, that's absolutely great. I love it when everyone finds the perfect products for their hair. But as a leave-in conditioner, it's a little bit too thick for me. It doesn't give me the slip that I want. It really does act like a really good moisturizer, and that's just the way my hair responds to this product. So for a leave-in conditioner, the rating I'm going to give it is 2 out of 5. That's 2 curls. And that's it guys, this was my personal review of the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Buttercream Leave-In Conditioner. Leave your comments down below. I hope it was helpful. So many of you have requested reviews on this particular line from Revlon. Thanks again for joining me, and you will see me again in another video. Take care.